Balloons, balloons, oh, wow. Valentine's balloons. Look, too much balloons, oh. Can you get the balloons? Can you play? See, there's a lot of balloons. Huh? Okay, just watch. Balloons, balloons, balloons. See? Yeah, balloons, oh, Valentine's balloons, oh, wow. It's a lot of balloons. Yeah, see? Really big balloons for Valentine's Day, guys. Hey, it's a lot, Michael. Wow. Wow, lots of balloons, balloons. There's yellow. That way, just wait. Oh, that's a lot. And also here, look. Let me finish this one first, okay? It's a lot of balloons. Look at this, giant balloons, oh. Giant balloons, oh, wow. Look, it's a giant balloons. Look at those balloons, Michael. Also this one, bouquet of balloon, oh, look. Valentine's Day balloons. Yeah, what's the name of that one? Bluey? This one? Bluey yan? No. Yeah, that's Bluey. This is balloons. Oh. It's good, right?
The bluish mom.
Yeah, Bluey's mom. Oh, it's a big one. So if you buy balloons, Valentine's here, Kroger. So this is the bouquet. It's a big balloons. Oh. So you give to your loved ones, right? Right? It's good, right? Oh, come on. So, that's all.